second Niagara Falls, and holy shit, we're gonna go right into that. Oh my god. Oh shit. Oh no. Oh my god. Guys, we're gonna go into that giant rain. Oh god. Oh shoot. Brace for impact. Brace for impact. Brace for. Holy shit. Holy shoot. Holy shoot. Holy shoot. Holy shoot. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my hands. The camera. Oh my. Ah. Look at that beautiful rainbow. Look at that beautiful rainbow. Let's stay real. Oh. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. Guys, we should look at that. Beautiful. Oh god, our lens. Our lens. Whoa. Oh my god. So this is the biggest Niagara Fall. Yeah, this is the biggest Niagara Fall. That was the second biggest over there. But this is even crazier. Oh my. My clothes. Oh sure.